गुणा यानि नामानि दिव्यानि तानि च वेस्व मतस्सं कुर्मः राम च वामनं चन्द्रानं गोविन्दं पुण्डरीकाक्षं माधवं मधुसूदनं पद्मनाभं सहस्रनामं वरमाली मलायुधं फलं प्रपोति मानव अमायाम्या प्रणव एकादश तदेव रूपं वासुदेवं रामं नारायणं दामोदरं शीलं च वेदांगं गरुडध्वजं अनंतं कृष्णगोपालं जप्तो नास्ति पादकं गवामि कुलपतारस् अश्वमेध च कन्यादान सहस्रनामं फलं प्रपोति मानव अमायाम्या प्रणव एकादश तदेव संध्याकाले अस्मृत प्रातःकाले तथैव च सहस्रनामं फलं प्रपोति मानव अमायाम्या पूर्णिमा एकादश तदेव च संध्याकाले प्रातःकाले तथैव च हेम कुंदरामं दस्यानामं परमगुरुं सर्वशास्त्र प्रोक्तकारं भार्गवं प्रणाम्यहम्। तेरे संबंध में अब बाकी की विधियों के लिए आप लोग अपने अपने स्थान पे बैठ जाइए।
The scene was just like about a dream sequence, and the dream was seen by Dabisa. And she was dreaming like I'm back with all my guilt, with all my apologize. She accepted me anyhow, so I said sorry plenty of times. So let's see how it goes. Enjoying, yeah, I have to enjoy my work anyhow, because when I love my work, work doesn't remain any work for me then. So it's my priority, it's my love, it's my first love. It will be my first and the last love. So I love camera, I love to act, I love to portray my character, I love to deliver my lines. I never treated it as a show or a TV soap or as a working place. I'm coming, doing my rehearsals, giving my takes and going back. When I was offered with Balika, it was a great school for me as far as learning is concerned, as far as observation is concerned, because we have Satyajit Sharma, who is from NSD, Anup ji from NSD, Surekha ji is from NSD, Smita Bansal with a great experience of acting.
लिए बे आ गया तू? मुझे तो लगा मुझे वो ट्रक ऑटो टैक्सी वाली आंटी बनना पड़ेगा। घर कब आओगे बोल।
Very good, clapping.
अच्छा, अभी एक बिग पीस लेके सब बच्चों को थोड़ा खिला दो। मम्मा दे।
मेरे के ग्लास में मैं बता नहीं।
पीस काट के लेके आएगी, ओके? आज पकड़ के सबको थोड़ा खिला दो। अरे छोटा देख लो। बड़ा भी प्लेट में डाल के दे दो।
ऐसा करो, ये दे दो।
ये टेबल हटा के ना उसमें सब बच्चे इसमें कॉफी चले।
केक ले लो। एक वो भी दे दो। येलो वाला है।
थ्री
ये तो बुलाया
मैंने बुलाया रख दिया था।
क्या चाहिए?
वो यहाँ है।
इधर
ये रहा, बुला रहा हूँ।
इतना बड़ा बहुत बड़ा
और इससे भी बड़ा।
Okay. Okay. Sure.
यार बोलो ना कोई पापा That's not laptop, it's a Game Boy.
अच्छा,
The camera.
Want to see? क्या है?
नहीं 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 वन
चलो. तीन दिन पहले लग गया बता.
Oh, Game Boy.
अच्छा वो तो
Wish you very happy birthday, Ashnoor.
Thank you.
So, who is this little angel on your left? Yeah.
She's Ruhi. Hello, 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 hello. She's my society's little cute doll.
Okay. So one of your cute doll, and we are in your room. So just let us know what is their speciality about your room, the colors.
Ruhi did a good way of it. Okay.
Yeah.
ये मेरा bunk bed है.
Hmm.
सीधे सीधे चढ़ती हूँ.
Hmm.
कुछ इस तरह.
Hmm.
Hello.
Oh.
Oy, hello.
हाँ. फैन लग जाएगा. संभाल संभाल.
मुझे bad manners. जाओ वो दीदी की तरह. बात मानती है.
Yes.
इधर कोई तो.
Okay. And this all the toys are yours?
Yes. I did.
Oh, okay.
We saw your birthday banner written as Palak. So that's your nickname, right?
Yes.
Why Palak?
Why Palak?
It's my nickname because when I was not born, my father told my mother that if a girl will be there, then I'll keep her name Palak.
Okay.
So Ashnu, that's why because we are 6 and we go to Gurdwara and Babaji
Yeah.
tell us a word
Yeah.
from our Guru Gobind. They give us, he sees a book and tell us a letter.
Okay.
My inking. So then Ashnoor, my silky blue toys.
Okay. And what about this pig?
This in Jhansi Ki Rani when my birthday was there,
Yeah.
Satin Dada gifted me this.
Okay. Setting another gift you this Barbie doll.
Yeah, not with this photo frame, only
Yeah.
the poster. And
Only the
my
poster and
mother.
all. Oh wow.
Ruhi, unko chodo.
So Ashnoor, today's your
How many years
Yes,
old
you
are
are-
you today?
8.
8 years old. All right. Acha. So
After Pete Puja, they do my birthday bumps.
okay, they'll give you a birthday bumps also. So your birthday bumps are gonna be there. All right. So Ashnoor, till your 8th birthday, how many kind of gifts you have got?
I've got many gifts.
Which is your favorite gift till date you have got?
My favorite.
Whether it's from mama or papa or anybody.
From Mama and Papa, I have got a bicycle. And right now I have got a Game Boy
Okay.
in which we can download 3 hours movie also. Camera is also there. We can download anything. Games are also there. Many things are there like recorder, setting, all things whichever are there in the mobile, all things are there.
Ariva.
So any particular your birthday enjoyed the most?
My last birthday.
Why?
Because in that, like hotspot, like these all kids are there, like they are coming to my room, spoiling my setting. I don't like that.
Okay.
I start crying otherwise. I don't like this one. So my last birthday, only my friends came, so I enjoyed that much.
Okay. Okay. Any special birthday wish you have?
Birthday wish.
Birthday wish, please.
Game Boy was your birthday wish?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. A Game Boy. My mother gave me a surprise. I did not know that she will give me this.
Okay.
So I'm very excited to play on that from tomorrow.
Okay. So you'll take it to your set.
Yes, of course.
Okay. And on set you celebrated your birthday?
No, I get bored.
You get bored. Why so?
Because see now only cake cutting, nothing game and all that stuff, and we only have to party.
Yeah.
They get cake, that is fine. But I double kharcha. What's the use of here also birthday and there also birthday will be same na.
Yeah.
So let's do on one place only.
Yeah. Thank you so much and wish you many, many, many more happy birthdays for coming here.
Tali Tarka, guys. We're going to do a segment with you which we call as Spicy Chip with Rush Trip. In this, we're going to ask you some crazy questions and we expect some crazy answers. Alright? So the first question is, friends, are they people who you can lean on or are they pile-on?
Friends are no friends if they are pylons. Then you won't call them friends. They are always there. But there are different categories. Like some you are close to, some they are limited to.
What about you?
इसने जवाब दे दिया
ये हर चीज का सेम आंसर दे देगा इसको.
क्योंकि जब मेरे पास जवाब नहीं हो तो मैं यही बोलती हूँ कि तुम इससे पूछ लो.
Actually, it's not a crazy question.
Yeah, it's such a serious.
It's like friends. What are friends? It's something like define friends. Something
True.
Like, yeah.
Okay.
Let's get to the craziest side.
I'll get to the crazy side. Okay. Now you gave a very serious answer.
Yeah, but it's like are friends or are they pylon? If people are pylon, then they are not friends. At times, few boring people can be pylon.
Which is some friends who
Are boring and then they are pylon.
Not necessarily. I mean, you have friends who you know, you're friends with. You can't, kind of just break a friendship, so to speak.
In
शायद
that
बचपन
case,
से
few
जानते
people
हो.
are pylon and few people you're close to. Again, but it's not crazy answer. No?
Then you should give a crazy answer.
Coming to the point, let me get a crazy question again.
Okay, the crazy question comes here. Ready? Dreams. What do you understand when you hear the words wet dreams?
What do I?
What do you understand when you hear the words
Wet dreams?
dreams?
Hotel.
Stupid question?
Stupid answer.
Oh dear.
Alea, give your answer.
No, it's okay.
She's getting shy. That means she gets.
Excuse me.
It's normal.
Okay, another one. You're in a pickup bar and you obviously saw someone that you want to ask out or pick up, so to speak. So what pickup line would you as a guy use?
I have never ever used a pickup line. Girls use pickup line.
Oh, excuse me.
Great, so tell me what pickup lines
Many,
have you
they're
ever
crazy.
agreed to for having a drink, dance or whatever else that they asked you for?
No, I haven't. In fact, before I even agree, they just hold my hand and pull me to the dance floor. So I'm like, Zap, do I know her or no? So yeah, but I enjoy
पर लड़की
it.
इसके साथ करती है वो भी खाली एक हाथ से तो नहीं बचती दोनों हाथ से बचती.
So
तुम
what?
ये मत बोलो कि लड़कियां करती हैं प्लीज. लड़के ने भी एक तो कारण
Do you want me to
देखा ही
go?
होगा ना, तभी तो लड़की भी आ गई. और अगर लड़का डांस फ्लोर पे जाए नहीं तो फिर लड़की नेक्स्ट से बढ़ेगी ही नहीं.
कभी कर यूज करने की नौबत आई.
One
कौन सी line
girl
is
has
it?
actually said to me कि she was married and all. Like I don't know her also. She comes to my gym. You can make out that she is married because she is. She told me कि तुझे देख के नीयत बिगड़ जाती है.
हाय
I was
हाय
like,
क्या लाइन है. और आपका जवाब क्या था?
बोला कि ज़्यादा ना बिगाड़ो नीयत तो अच्छा है. कंट्रोल में रखो उसको.
Or the Govinda line. What about you? What pickup line from a guy would you agree to either go for a dance or whatever the person's asking for, depending on the line that you agree to?
इसके सामने बोला जरूर.
अरे चल, I'm saying so much.
No, as such कभी हुआ नहीं because पता नहीं मैं बहुत बच्ची हूँ तो लगता है लड़के पहले घबरा जाते हैं मेरी एज सुन के. तो मतलब सब कुछ होने के बाद at the end he'll be like what's your age and I'm like 17.
See?
Next scene का
We just got lines for our very
मिला है.
next scene and it's gonna start in like 15 minutes, so we still have to go through the lines.
And you're giving interviews.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
the maximum
आपने
would
हमको पकड़
be
रखा है.
maximum would be a day or
हमको
two.
मेल आ जाता है पर हम फोन में तो मैं तो रीड नहीं करती कि वो इतना
Because वो busy होती हैं और काम करने.
तो भी तो मैं बकवास.
ऐसा कोई प्रियल ऐसा कोई फनी इंसिडेंस हुआ हो while giving shot?
ऐसे बहुत हुए यार.
But one
ये
particular.
सारी बातें मैं तब याद करूंगी जब मैं शायद छोड़ दूंगी.
क्यों
जब
छोड़?
खत्म हो जाएगा.
अभी तो 100 एपिसोड है, सेलिब्रेट कर लो.
मतलब अभी ऐसे
फिर भी
जैसे
कोई
पहले थे
मतलब
वैसे ही अभी है. अभी तो मोर आगे तो इतने सीन्स करना है तो आई थिंक ये सब शो खत्म होने के बाद में मेमोराइज करेंगे कि यार इस सीन में
अरे
इतना
वाह.
मजा आता था.
What about you, Ashish?
अच्छा, आपको कैसे सीन करने अच्छे लगते हैं? दी कॉमेडी, दी आप जो झगड़ा करती हैं या फिर
नहीं, मुझे इमोशनल सीन्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं।
Like one
Like, जब
particular
मम्मी के साथ होता है, जब सोलो बेस्ट होता है। मेरे सारे जितने सीन्स मैंने सोलो किए हैं ना, सारे बेस्ट होते हैं, क्योंकि ना उसमें एक्टर्स लोग के दिमाग को इरिटेट करने वाली होती है। लाइंस पढ़ के नहीं आते, इमोशन की तो वहीं बैंड बज जाती है।
अच्छा, नाम लेना चाहेंगी कुछ?
अरे ना, समझने वालों को इशारा।
तो क्या ये इशारा आपकी तरफ था?
ये अभिषेक की तरफ है, प्लीज माइंड
प्लीज अब, और यहाँ पे एक अभिषेक और एज एन आकाश और विजय भाई, ये बस दो हैं जो लाइंस कट टू कट पढ़ के आते हैं। और ऐसे बहुत से एक्टर्स हैं।
तो तुम ज्यादा डिबेट पे नहीं पहुंच गए लाइंस की।
और ऐसे
आई थिंक और ऐसे बहुत से एक्टर्स हैं जो स्क्रिप्ट देखते भी नहीं है, सेट पे आके रोलिंग पे पढ़ते हैं। सो अभी इनका भी नाम ले लो।
तो ये तुम किसी और के बारे में मत बोलो।
इनका भी नाम ले लो।
और आपको कैसे सीन्स पसंद है?
मुझे जैसे सीन्स पसंद है वैसे
इसके एक ही तो सीन रहते हैं,
ऐसे-
इसके ऐसे जैसे सीन रहते हैं जो आप इसे पूछ रहे हो, वही फ्लर्टिंग शॉटिंग ही तो सीन रहता है।
वो नेक्स्ट लेवल तक कभी गया नहीं है फ्लर्टिंग, वो सीन पसंद है मुझे एक्चुअली। आज समझदार को इशारा अब पता लगेगा क्या।
Ashish, you have done fight scenes also in this.
I've done what? Fight scenes.
Fight scenes, fight sequences also. So how much do you enjoy doing, like, you know, that fight sequences and all, and what you do the preparation for that?
प्रिपरेशन तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, वहाँ पे फाइट मास्टर होते हैं, वो सिखाते हैं तुम्हें कि ऐसे ऐसे है। बाकी आई एंजॉय फाइट सीक्वेंस बिकॉज इट कम्स आउट रियली गुड एंड ऑडियंस बनती रहती है उस सीन में, यू नो, दे डोंट चेंज द चैनल। तो वो बेस्ट पार्ट है। बाकी लोगों की सीन में शायद चैनल चेंज हो जाता है, लेकिन हाँ फाइट सीक्वेंस में नहीं होता है। और लड़कियाँ पता नहीं कि फाइट सीक्वेंस नहीं कर पाती। आया तुम्हारा कोई फाइट सीक्वेंस अभी तक?
मेरे गाली के
सॉरी, ये वन टेक एक्टर्स है।
कभी ऐसा हुआ कि फाइट सीक्वेंस करते करते कभी कुछ कहीं लग गया या कुछ चोट लग
होता
गई?
रहता है, वो चलता है, इतना कुछ नहीं है। इट्स ऑल पार्ट ऑफ वर्क एंड वी रिस्पेक्ट इट बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल काम ही तुम्हें पहचान देता है। तो
What?
I think that's that.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much, guys. Wish you all the best for the future.
Thank you so
May it complete the 300 and 500 and 700 episodes also. You celebrated. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi Shashank, welcome to Delhi Tadka. So Shashank, rather than your acting, what are your likes, dislikes, like sports or something?
Yeah, I love to eat, I love to cook. Food is my weakness, so I love to sleep, and that's it.
So what kind of food you like to have?
Home food, घर का खाना, the best.
And what kind of food do you like cooking?
Everything, you know what, I love to experiment in my kitchen. Kitchen is my favorite place. So let's see.
So क्या वो पर्टिकुलर रेसिपी है शशांक की जो शशांक को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है?
I love to have दाल चावल कड़ी.
दाल चावल खिचड़ी.
बस बस वो मिल जाए तो मेरा दिन बन जाता है. मुझे हर चीज़ पसंद है, मुझे ना पसंद कुछ भी नहीं है खाने में, लेकिन अगर वो घर का हो तो बेस्ट है. मतलब मैं खाता हूँ, ऐसा नहीं मैं नहीं खाता हूँ, लेकिन घर का मुझे हर चीज़ बेस्ट लगती है.
और कौन सी एक ही ऐसी पर्टिकुलर डिश है जो आपने मतलब पकाई हो और पक कुछ और गया हो, कभी ऐसा हुआ है?
बहुत बार होता है ऐसा.
क्या?
और मैं आपको बताता हूँ, अगर मैं खाना ऐसा बनाता हूँ कि वो सिर्फ मैं ही खा सकता हूँ.
उसकी स्पेशलिटी क्या है?
मुझे गोल चपाती बनानी नहीं आती, लेकिन मुझे अच्छा लगता है किचन में कुछ ना कुछ करते रहना, मुझे बहुत पसंद आता है. गुड टाइम पास फॉर मी.
So Shashank, an actor, like to spend his time into kitchen. What else you like to have, like to do in life rather than acting and being in kitchen?
I love to run. I never miss my running sessions in the morning.
Okay.
And I love to read people, you know.
Okay.
I love to observe them.
Okay.
I love to read them.
Okay.
Anyhow, as an actor, it helps, you know, in portraying or, you know, just like
Gestures. Their gestures
exactly,
on.
yes, you know,
Yep.
you come across many reactions by them.
Yeah.
So it's a great knowledge for me.
Yeah. So you said that you like to run.
Yeah.
So have you been athlete or some sports person or something?
Exactly, yes. I used to take participation in all my school activities, in my college activities. 100 meter, 200 meter, long jump, and played Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, played football. I played state cricket. I'm a state swimming also. Yeah, I love to play sports because I was not that connected with my books, no. Yeah, so somewhere down the line, yeah, sports is my first priority at that moment of time. And right now, I don't get any time to to indulge in some sports. But whenever it happens, I'm set. I participate. I cricket. We only play cricket. Cricket ही होता है यहाँ पर और कुछ हो भी नहीं सकता.
ऐसा कोई क्रेजी मतलब स्पोर्ट्स में कभी कुछ एक्सपीरियंस हुआ हो या कुछ किया हो?
There was some incident.
Yep.
It was a kabaddi match in our school. अभी तो मेरा फिर भी थोड़ा सा I got थोड़ा सा लेकिन उस टाइम पे I was too thin. So it was a kabaddi match and some bad guy catch me and he tore my t-shirt and the whole school was there and there was no ganji at all. I was too thin. That was the moment it was a total. I was totally out of my mind. I ran like anything. But some girl asked me, "Where are you going?" I was no problem at me. Which is the problem? I was just going to loo, and that's it. But
मेरे को ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन
she
भी
was
नहीं है.
like, okay.
कभी मैं गई
So,
नहीं उधर, तो मुझे ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं.
After this, you are going to loo.
Huh?
For what reason? So she catched me at that moment of time, and I told her, "Don't tell this to anyone."
मैं 10 मिनट में आ रही हूँ.
And what are your dislikes?
And when somebody becomes bossy over me, I don't like it because I want my own freedom to work. I want to think independently. I love to work by my own. So yeah, that's the way. Otherwise, I have no personal or professional dislikes.
Okay.
Nothing like that.
Okay. You like to drive?
Right?
Drive?
Yeah, but not in Mount Area. I love to drive in my town because it's so crowded over here. As you told earlier also, because I don't have any patience, It's the first gear, second gear, चलता है, so I don't like that. I love to drive fast.
Do you shop?
Very rare. Because मैं कभी वो चीज़ कभी नहीं खरीदता जिसकी मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है. जो चीज़ की ज़रूरत है मैं बस वही मेरी आज शॉपिंग होती नहीं.
Any more dislikes? Personal मतलब कुछ तो होगा, जैसे लोगों को
Like nature wise or something?
cleanliness freak होते हैं, उनको अच्छा नहीं लगता है घर गंदा है.
I don't like diplomatic.
You're
Because
being
I'm
very
a-
diplomatic now by giving all these answers. Like you don't like diplomatic people, you don't like bossy people.
Yeah.
I think small dislikes जो होते हैं.
Because you know what, I'm a very desi guy. I present myself as I am. और कभी कभी इससे मुझे कुछ नुकसान भी होता है क्योंकि ये जगह ऐसी है जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आपको बिजनेस माइंड रखना पड़ता है. बट नहीं वो एक होता है, जीन्स में होता है, वो ब्लड में होता है, वो मेरे पास सिर्फ एक काम ही है. बट आई डोंट लाइक डिप्लोमेटिक पीपल शुरू से. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं यहाँ पे काम कर रहा हूँ इसीलिए, लेकिन मुझे शुरू से जैसे आप हो वैसे अपने को प्रेजेंट करो और वैसे ही रहो, अपने आप को बदलो मत.
Yes.
That's it.
Welcome to Tele Tarka Suraji. It is an honor to meet you. I've definitely heard rave things about you from other directors, and one of them being one of your proteges, who is Seema Chaudhary ji. So once I heard about that, I mean Lalit had obviously told me about you being a very senior director and you taking up a project like Humse Hai Life. Tell us how and why you took up this project.
It was basically accident, you can say that, because I just finished one show for Star Plus.
Right.
So I was free, and I had
Which show was that, sir?
Hamari Devrani.
Right.
So I had just finished that, and I was free, sitting at home, and I was planning a new show, which I did a pilot again.
Right.
So it would have taken time because of IPL and all.
Right.
So I was free. I met Nisa. Nisa said, "What are you doing, sir? You're free, so why don't you come and join the Humse Hai Life?" I said, "Okay, fine," because I think he must be also needing a director that time, because Lalit was shifting to Suvreen
Gupta, yeah.
So he needed a director. He called me.
Right.
Okay.
Right, sir. So how does it feel working with youngsters?
I I was very lucky enough to work with different genres in television.
Right.
From the starting days. In
Right.
98 I became a director. I've done kid shows, famous kid shows. I launched famous kid shows like Shaka Laka Boom Boom.
Right.
Then Ruby Dooby Hubdub.
Right.
And then Vicky and Vital for Disney. So I've been working with kids also. And then I did some youth shows also like Kyun Hota Hai Pyar. Then I directed couple of episodes, a lot of episodes for Shush Koi Hai, which were catering basically to youth guys.
Right.
Then I did some comedy shows also which was catering to youth, Great Indian Laughter comedy show. So I've been working with everybody from seniors also, like when I was doing my daily soap, then it becomes a different genre.
Right.
And Shush Koi was a little horror genre. Then I
Right.
did my comedy shows also, I did my thrillers also, I did my drama also. I started off with Rishtes, which was a very typical love stories.
Right.
So I've been lucky with all the genres I've been working with. So it was not nothing different. But yeah, for me, after a long time, I have again come back to a youth show. So it took me at least 2-3 days to again come back to that whole technique feeling that I have to change my technique again. So it took me first 1 or 2 days to just again adapt myself. Now I adapt myself.
Of course. It's been almost 2.5 weeks now that you've been working on this project. And how does it feel taking over from one of your proteges who's been your assistant on a show?
I have never thought on those lines. Basically, this is a job for me, and I'm getting paid for it.
Right.
So I just come and work. I never thought that if this is a show which is Nisar is a producer or any other is a producer. For me, it's a job, it's a creative thing, it's a passion. For me, direction is a passion.
Right.
I never felt like being a producer till now, because still I feel like Sachin Tendulkar working for 20 years and playing cricket with the same passion.
Right.
So I feel the same.
Right.
So till my passion is there, I'll keep on directing.
Of course.
So my whole dream is right now to direct a film. So let's see when my industry takes me.
Right.
But right now I'm very happy doing television.
Right.
Let me earn some good money for my family.
I'm sure. But you see, isn't it lovely that you get to earn a living from your passion? Not many
Yeah.
people are fortunate enough to have that leverage in their life.
True. Honestly speaking, basically I never thought about money when I came to Bombay to direct. Because I am from a business family, so I had an option to start my own business. But doing theatre, my whole interest was basically into this creative field. So I decided not to do business, come here. If money would have been a criteria, I would have been there. And being a producer is like earning money. So then I would have been better off doing my business than coming to Bombay alone from my family. So now I'm very happy directing, so I will be directing my films.
Right.
So doing creative, little bit of money is fine. Yeah, I have to run my kitchen also one day.
Of course, of course. Now, this particular show has sports as its backbone. I'm not aware if you have done any other shows where sports has been a highlight.
No, I've
point.
not done that. Yeah, I've not done any sports shows, but luckily I've been a sportsman myself. I've played Assam national basketball team.
Wow.
I'm a very good cricketer.
Right.
I'm a good boxer.
Right.
So for me, it comes very easily.
Okay.
A sports show.
Right.
So I could adapt myself very easily with it. So now even my artists, when I've started doing some boxing scenes, they realize that yeah, sir knows everything.
Right.
So it's very easier for them to adapt also. Because when I
Right.
see a boxing match or whatever, when there is a fight master or a fight director doing it, they do it very filmy Bollywood style of boxing. But for me, boxing is a very different game. So when I will be shooting a boxing tournament, I will be treating it as a boxing tournament. As we have seen Rocky Balboa
Yeah,
doing that. So
yeah.
I'll try to treat it in a very boxing.
Right.